So in this tutorial, let's take a look where you can find iCloud backups on your iPhone. So this can all be managed inside of your settings. So open up and locate the settings app on your device and ensure that you are in the main page. And in the top of this page, like completely the first thing on the list is your profile picture with your name. And this is the section you need to tap on, inside of which you can find iCloud, and there you can see the storage situation and more settings. Upon scrolling down a little bit more, you can also find the iCloud backup section. And part of this is just one toggle, which lets you decide whether or not you want to have the iCloud backup turned on or off. And also below it, as you can see, we have the alt backup. So I can find the backup of an iPad associated with my Apple ID, and I can see when it has been backed up and how much space it takes up. Right, so with this, the only option is to decide if I keep it or not. So I have the delete button. I can click on this and remove it from my iCloud. Same for some other older backups of even different devices. So that's how you can manage it. This is where you can find it, but keep in mind that similar to my situation, it's quite likely that your storage is full if you have just a free 5 gigs of storage available on your iCloud, right? So if you want to perform extensive backups of your entire iPhone or iPad or whatever, then it's quite likely that the free version of iCloud is not going to be enough for you. So that's it for me. Hopefully you found this video informative. If there's anything you want to say, then the comment section is of course yours, and let me know below what you think. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future.